team that follows our next presentation is the UTDesign team from Texas Instruments, Simplified Multitone Massive Power Line. But right now, we welcome Simultaneous Streaming Linear and Nonlinear Data Analytics in a live format, sponsored by Ericsson. All right, thank you, Ericsson. Welcome to the team.
This semester, we've been working with SORM to